Hello, today is Thursday, and it is the 12th of July 2012. This is the second video for today. Another quick update. Before we get started, I want to talk about the word mortgage. What two words would I state mortgage means when I look at the Latin variety of the word? You can post your comments down below. If you want to know the answer, you can read the comments down below. And, well, let's get started. So today we've had a bounce from the late morning session, which has given us an outside period, outside day, which means the low is lower than yesterday, the high is higher than yesterday. Still in the declining period average, it's managed to get up to the 18 average of close, which is currently set in at 27.31. It is declining. I've talked a lot about what it needs to get to break above this downtrend. It has not even come close yet to occurring. It may, don't know. Now, as far as what happened earlier today, let's take a look at this as, an hour ago at 12:23 p.m. Eastern Time. This was the 60-minute, or the 6-hour chart, excuse me, the one that I was showing you before. Same thing. It has not reversed the trend on this either. The declining average is still in an obvious downtrend. Yes, it has gotten above the 18 period average of highs, but it is also still making this consistent pattern of lower highs and lower lows. So the obvious one, break above the previous high, or really even managed to get up towards the significant Fibonacci level. And that would also show that, hey, wait a second, look, kind of confirm that we're going down here, and what's going on? Why is it going higher? Well, if and only if that occurs, then this would give us reason for that failed breakdown, which is not all that of an uncommon thing, and give us reasons for higher moves to the upside, if and only if that is to take place. Because a lot of this market has been so choppy, I wouldn't be counting on it for too much. But let's just now talk about the what happened today. I have Fibonacci here from this high of 27.26. That was the previous high going in today, and it went down. So when the market decides to trend, or switch over, I should state, then I need to use the Fibonacci retracement to gauge how the correction is going to work. And within this 18 period average, we can see that it was declining this whole period, and well, it got above it here, and then it managed to get the average to flatten out, go higher by holding the support level at 26.66 or so. And then, of course, this was a break-in. Now, what I've stated so many times is if a Fibonacci level is not resistance, like it is not in this case, then it's not all that uncommon. It's more common that it finds resistance of some sort. Yes, big time. So obviously, if you put in some sort of short here, probably a good play, but it lost because you would have got stopped out here or wherever your stop loss happened to be. So then, with that being stated, something to look out for is, will this area be support? Maybe later on it will, but it's not now. Or will it just manage to have a huge, fast move to the previous high, which, well, that's exactly what happened. And as it goes higher, then, well, now you have to adjust the Fibonacci retracement. The low is still the same, but the high has changed. So an hour later, which is just a few minutes ago as I'm doing this, we can take a look at this now on the 15-minute time frame, which would be 17:19 GMT. And you see this consolidation phase. If you were waiting, and the Fibonacci's changed to this high. If you're waiting to buy here, oh, it didn't happen. It didn't happen, nope. Yeah, you could have put your order in for 27.02. Probably a very good play. But honestly, if this thing manages to go higher, break above this high, this is a rarity. It's a rarity that it didn't come close to this line. And on a random level, so be it. That's randomness for you. Yeah, markets don't trade too random, though. And again, because the long-term time frame is very much indecisive, I need to see a lot more to state, hey, wait a second here. I need this trend. It's nowhere even close. Even short term, it's really got to get above 30, and then long term, midterm, it's got to get above like 40. So we got a long ways to go right now, but just quick little update. I wanted to show you again another example of 61.8% not being resistance and having a fast level to its previous high. Thank you for tuning in.